Let's see how far we get.
I hate speed bumps.
Yes. In this, at least. Ooh.
So many bumps.
The old couple behind us about rear-ended us because we came to such a slow stop in that speed bump.
Why does that have to be so bumpy?
I don't know.
Rev it. God, it's bumpy. There's a lake here too?
Yeah.
Never been here.
You've never been inside the track?
No. It's the first.
Please keep off the grass. Okay.
You can't make me.
True.
Other people can't listen, but that's okay.
You only get in trouble if you get caught.
Exactly.
Herbie staging.
I see a Vanagon. I see another bus, another bus, another bus. I was gonna say, is there only buses? El Camino.
So, Mike, tell me how you came up with the idiot racing, because to me that kind of sounds like you're downing yourself by calling yourself an idiot. How did that come about?
Dude, I actually needed to.
Okay.
Right? I had no idea what I was doing in mechanics and fabrication welding over Volkswagens.
Yep.
So, like, one of the first things that came up is I needed a new spring plate retainer.
Yep.
I did not know what the name of this thing was. So, Googling it doesn't get me anywhere.
Yeah.
So I had to jump on the Samba to ask the stupidest question ever. What is this thing?
What's this one part?
And
Yeah.
like, I wanted to preempt everyone who would then say, what kind of idiot doesn't know the name? So I just called myself idiot. Like, so then I got, the first response was a bit snarky.
Of
And then
course,
the
it's the
second guy was,
Samba, yeah.
the second response was the guy like, look, did you see the name? He's trying here. Let's
Yeah.
take pity. Here's everything you need to know.
Yep.
That's exactly what I was going for.
Okay.
Right? Let's break everyone's, the wind out of their sails, getting ahead of it, and just get the answer.
Okay.
Because then the nice people will recognize it.
That's true.
And
Okay.
it's worked, man. Like,
Dude, that's
labeling
awesome.
myself an idiot gets a lot of people to just slow down, take their patience with me, and kind of get me in the right direction.
Okay.
It's worked.
Nice. I'm glad you took it easy last weekend so you could be here this weekend.
Yeah, that was half the point. Again,
Yep.
I don't want to throw a rod through the block because that
Well-
turns into a $5,000 day.
Correct. And for no point.
Yeah.
You already hear the noise.
Yep.
Take it easy. Do your points. Get out.
Yep.
Be smart.
It's a long season.
Don't be a total idiot.
There you go.
Only be a part-time idiot.
Exactly. It's a long season. We're in it till the end.
Yep.
Shooting for the win and losing everything just doesn't make any sense.
No, it doesn't. Dude, that's awesome, man.
I like it.
I like it, man. And badass car, too.
Dude, it's
Next year
fun. It's so fun.
we'll bring the pool.
And my girlfriend's in the car, and they're like, "There's a stop sign." I'm like, "I see it." They were about accidents. It's right here where my passenger sits, and I had a few girlfriends go.
Oh, look. It's a Just Buggin' wannabe.
Huh?
Just bugging
No.
wannabe. Look. Watch
No,
it. What's
no,
up, guys?
no.
Look.
It's Just Buggin' with a wannabe. 6'6"
Yes,
wannabe.
look, come here. Wait. Watch.
There's supposed to be a gasket there, dude.
No, there's two pinholes. You see that?
Well, that's okay. JB welded.
Dude, look, we get a flap.
I saw that.
Okay.
Well, no, it's not flat. It's just,
Well, blown out.
yeah.
So we're
Oh, no,
riding
it's
on
flat.
a spare. Then we have to push start it every time we want to start it now. It's no charging. And now we have two pinholes because he gave us free gas, and I guess that's the not the benefit of getting free gas. It's a
No,
disadvantage.
that's the downfall of filling it too full.
Yeah,
But the nice thing is,
we're here.
you're here.
We're here somehow.
And you'll stay awake better because you'll have the gas fumes hitting you in the face as you're going around the track.
Yeah. Hey, I'm just glad it's here, man.
Right? Hey, look, it's just leaking. No, it's just leaking.
Just leaking.
With 2 holes.
And we're just pushing,
No,
too.
no, no, it's bugging him by leaking.
It's not charging either, so we're pushing.
Well, it's supposed to be no charge. It was free gas.
Yeah.
I see you.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey.
He's like the Christmas Santa of Florida. He just drops off gifts and runs away out your chimney.
I could drop other things off, but
What you
it
got?
may be frowned upon in public. Bobby, they let you bring this hunk of junk in here?
Yeah, they let you bring yours in it, and I asked, hey, can I have a pass? Does he let that in? He said, yeah, go ahead.
So because of me, you got in.
Gary, see, go ahead, look.
Man,
Always thinking.
that's
dude,
thinking
always
ahead.
thinking. How's everything with you?
I can't believe you made it over here already. Huh?
We were making some sunshine.
I know you were.
Hey, Augustine.
You see Bill?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good to see you, sir.
Yeah, we're...
I think I know Bill. Is this car from up north?
Huh?
Is this car from up north?
Iowa.
Iowa? So this was from Dan Love?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought I recognized it. On the Speedway, we're on Daytona International Speedway! Yay! Got some brake happy people doing 25 miles an hour because that's about all the pace car will let us do, 25, 30 miles an hour. Downshift. Yeah. That's a bank. Yep. Gas in the car.
Yeah, right? crazy.
Kind of is.
God, I love the sound of this thing.
Well, we made it back safe and sound. It was a great time. Jawbreaker did great. Got some good mileage. Had a lot of fun. Man, I love driving this car, but I cannot wait to get that one done and on the road. I think we're gonna have so much more fun with this one. So anyway, appreciate you guys being here. Thanks for sticking around. Get out in the garage, get wrenching, and be good.